This learning objective is I can find the area of a triangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, we remember that base times height is the formula to find the area of parallelograms in rectangles. These two pictures show two triangles that are identical stacked on top of each other. Our red triangle and our green triangle have the same side lengths, and if we flip them over and line them up, we see that they form a rectangle. So we can take base times height and split it in half, because base times height would give us the entire area of that rectangle, but if we want to know the area of the triangle, we just split it in half or divide by 2. The same can be said for the triangles on the right. Outlining a triangle in blue and black, these triangles are identical, and we have lined them up so that they form a parallelogram. So again, if we find base times height, that would give us the area of the parallelogram, and to find the area of the triangles, we take the base times the height and divide it by 2. Here are 3 triangles. As the same goes with parallelograms as for triangles. The height that we need for our formula needs to be perpendicular and form a right angle that is 90 degrees with our base. So the base would be the bottom, and the height is off to the left. These other 2 triangles have the perpendicular height inside the triangle, and it is perpendicular to the bases along the bottom. Here are some examples for us to find the area. Our height is 7, the base is 4, so to find our area equals base times height, and we're going to divide those numbers by 2. Base times height, our area equals 7 times 4 divided by 2. 7 times 4 is 28 divided by 2, so our area equals 14 centimeters squared. Moving on to our next example. Our base is 8 meters. Our height is 3 meters. So we take those numbers and insert them into our formula. 1/2 base times height. Now, we know from the order of operations that we solve the parentheses first. So if we insert our numbers into the parentheses, the area equals 1/2 of 8 times 3, which is 24, and 1/2 of 24 equals 12, and our units are meters squared. Finally, the last example, we are given all 3 side lengths of a right triangle. So, we need to decide which number is our base and which is our height. Our base along the bottom will be 6 inches, and the height must be perpendicular to that base. So, given our 90-degree angle, we know that our height is 6 inches, and we do not need to use the measurement, which is 5 inches on the remaining side. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Substituting in our numbers, our base is 6 and our height is 6. Our area equals 1/2 of 6 times 6, which is 36. So our area equals 18 inches squared. This concludes today's lesson. Please answer the questions and we will see you tomorrow in class.